Alright, today you guys are going to see me repair an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Damage to screen right there. Gonna turn that off, but just so you guys can see that damage, I'm gonna go ahead, put this aside. Gonna unbox the new screen. I can find my cutting tool. Yep, there it is. You guys are gonna see an unboxing. First unboxing. I'm pretty sure I did other unboxings, but this is my first official unboxing. Back, 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 back. Just really just the screen protector. Just order. I should get more of these in stock. Stop ordering per order, but I'm gonna take some tips and actually order some